Hey fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with the video this year, you guys. So, as you guys know, I've been away. I had to take some time to myself. So, with that being said, today we're going to cook us some cabbage, okay? Not so much as fried, but yet steam, okay? So, this is a great recipe you might want to share for Easter. Inexpensive, but it's a healthy recipe, you guys. So yeah, come on into the kitchen. So guys, what we have here is some nice shredded cabbage, you guys. I had thinly chopped or cut, okay? Now, it's on you what size of cabbage you want, but we're going to start this off by putting us some smoked sausage in the pot. But I'm going to start it with a little olive oil because that's what I'm going to use. So I might as well use the last of what I'm using. Okay. So yeah, going to go ahead and get that together. I'm going to look in the refrigerator and get my sausage out. But we're going to go in, not so much as brown these onions up, but we're gonna give them a little light stir, you know, on them, because that's what I want to do. Try to cook some of it down, and we have some sweet peppers over here as well, and we're gonna put that in there because I wanted to make sure I use my peppers, because you know, I had bought them and I wasn't really eating on them like I should. So I'm just making sure the oil get onto them. Just like that. I don't want to hit the pot, you guys. So now I'm going to season these onions and stuff up. Because once I season it, that's what I'm going to go with. You guys, but how's everyone been doing? So we got a little garlic powder. Just a little. We don't need a lot, okay? And we're going to use some some black pepper, okay? Because we're just going to put a light seasoning on them as soon as I get it open. And we're just going to put some black pepper on them, just to give the onions their own base of flavor, okay? So we're going to let that go ahead. Now, this seasoning on here, I do not need to use it anymore as far as seasoning when I put my cabbage in, because we're going to go on here and use our Goya once we do that, right? So we're going to let this cook a little bit before we add our sausage, okay? Okay, so now we have some delicious smoked sausage right here. Now, these are made by Cabbage, okay? But you can use whatever kind of sausage you want. Because I almost went with andouille, but then I said, no, you got to keep it simple. You got to keep it simple, you guys. When I tell you this is a great meal, affordable meal, and, you know, nutritionist meal. Friendly. Even when you're watching your weight. You know? Even when you're watching your weight. So we're going to go on and let that cook on up. But we're not going to let it cook too much because I still want that flavor, that bite, okay? We're going to put half a pack of our Goya in here. And we're going to hold the remainder so once we insert our cabbage. Okay, guys. Well, you know, you guys, I got it cooking down just where I wanted it, because you know it's going to continue to cook, right? So what I'm going to do is add me some cabbage up in here, which has been washed and drained, right? And we're just going to add some cabbage on up in here, just like that. We're not going to add, now you know, usually I use, well, I'm used to using water, okay? Many use the broth, veggie broth or chicken broth. I don't do that too often. I prefer to add water, and that's that, you know? And we're going to bring from the bottom to the top. You know, I hate when I get those chunks and stuff. Let me switch spoons. Okay. So I want to bring from the bottom to the top. We're going to get that out of there, because that's our pan for our hot water bread that we're going to put with this. You guys, bring the meat from the bottom to the top. Get the cabbage down in there. Yes. Like I said, this is a terrific go-to meal, last minute meal, because cabbage don't take long to cook at all, you guys. It doesn't take long to cook at all. So I'm going to add that on in there. And we're going to get all this cabbage into this pot, you guys, right? Because I don't have all day in the kitchen, because you know things has changed, girl. Y'all pay me no mind. Food fine everywhere. We're just going to add that just like that. Let's add our little more seasoning right in between. And we're just going to get it on in here if we can. And let it do its thing. We're going to put a lid on it right quick and let it do its thing. So guys, we are back. So let's just go and check on this cabbage right quick. So how's everyone doing? I just want to say thank you for all the love and the support from you guys who all gave congratulations to my daughter on her new daughter, called her little sister. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. It meant a lot to me. So yeah, we have a new family member. You guys, look at this cabbage. Oh, yeah. We're just gonna go on and cook that on down. I'm gonna add some crushed peppers in here. Who likes crushed peppers in their cabbage or their greens? Because, you know, this is still a green. Yes, I love it. Every now and then to have them. I'm gonna put them just like that. Just enough to make it a little spicy. I love me some cabbage. I have cooked cabbage in so many ways. Hello? So yes, we're gonna go ahead and finish stirring this on in here. I love some cabbage. I love some cabbage. Because it's just, I mean, I love any type of green, but a cabbage green is my favorite. So let's let that cook so I can get these hot water bread on the stove. So guys, so I have made up my mixture for my hot water bread. Some people call them flapjacks, but either way it go, it's fried cornbread. It's fried cornbread. So I have made that up. I really can't tell you the measurements on it because I go by eyeballing it. I have made it so many times, so I really don't put a measurement on it. I really don't put a measurement on it. So we're gonna let this butter do its thing right quick so that I can put them in here, right? I like to make mine with a little butter. Some people like to make theirs with a little oil or both. I don't like my batter to be too thick, but we're going to do 2 at a time. And that's what we're doing. So, guys, we have our cabbage cooked down. Yes, we do. We're having our cabbage cooking down, as you guys can tell. Oh, that's a good pot of cabbage right there. Okay? Good pot of cabbage right there. I'm just going to go on and let this finish doing its thing, which shouldn't take long because actually this is approximately a half an hour meal. Okay? But it depends on what type of meat you're using. And I'm using sausage today. Yes. I'm using sausage today. And I'm just going to go on and let it finish cooking down. And I must stress, that's the reason why I like to have it thinly cut. Okay? I must stress that. But anywho, yes. Oh, I can't wait to get hold of this. So, if you like my content, hit the subscribe button. You know, right down there, somewhere up in there, okay? Hit the subscribe button and make sure the notification is on so your girl can bring you more good content, okay? And, yeah. Here, I just got this on this tray, but here go our fried cornbread. You guys, look at that fried cornbread that's going to go with that cabbage. Oh, yeah. Now, that's what you call good eating. And great soul food. Affordable food. You know, you guys, you cannot beat this. Okay? The way the economy is, this is just a simple meal you can cook in your kitchen and share with your friends and your family. And also get all your veggies in. Well, not all of them, but a couple of them, okay? But anywho, you guys, like this video, share this video with any and everyone. Let me know what your girl's doing on this channel. And yes, I am back. And hopefully in full effect, okay? Because as some of you know my story, you know, just had a grandbaby. I also have a grandbaby that's under doctor's care. And, you know, but anyway, keep the Joneses in prayer. And yeah, if you would like to send a donation, that would be great. I keep a Cash App in my description. You know, you can also hit the, is it the heart button? But anyway, anything is appreciated, even just a simple prayer. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this content enough. And enjoy your evening. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Just make sure you got your notifications on. Sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.